everybody, it's Luke here, sixpacksmackdown.com, and today we're going to be whipping up a quick strawberry cheesecake protein smoothie. It's really simple, not very many ingredients. So I got myself here 8 ounces of water with a handful of ice cubes already in there. To that I'm going to add 2 strawberries, and then I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of low-fat cottage cheese. Just any cottage cheese. You can put in full fat depending on your nutrient goals and what you're eating every day. So there's 2, 3, 4. In there I'm going to put 1 packet of truvia sweetener. You can put in 2, 3 depending on your taste. And finally, to top it off, I'm going to put in 1 scoop of the new MuscleTech Platinum Whey strawberries and cream protein powder. This is 130 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 24 protein. So we're going to have about 30 grams of protein in this shake and about 150, 160 calories. So we just put that in there. We're going to hit this on the blender. Get myself a cover and a cup. So I'll just mix this up quick, give it a test. It's going to be it's not going to be really thick unless you put in a ton of ice. So you can see this is really runny. It's more of a protein shake rather than like an ice smoothie. It's not too bad. Could have maybe hit it on the blender a little longer. I got a couple cottage cheese chunks in there, but overall, it's really good. So give it a try. Strawberry cheesecake protein smoothie. Till next time, guys.